Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So if you aren't basically using ATS chats, you are guessing, not growing, keep it in mind. Because inside Etsy, your shop stats show traffic, orders, revenue, and even conversion rate. All in one dashboard. Yes, it's basically all in one single dashboard. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually use ATS chats for your shop 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first thing first, we're gonna go look for the login to access our shop manager. So all we're gonna do is open our device, the usual stuff, make sure we are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go and look for Etsy in the search bar. We can also basically use the app if we are on Android or iOS. It's the same steps. So we're gonna tap on this thing. It will take us to this new tab. Come here on your account and log in using your email address and password, then access Shop Manager from here. After this, look for an option labeled Stats. At the top, choose your date range. Now check visits. It depends how many people came, orders, how many bought, revenue, how much you made, and the conversion rate. It's basically how well you are converting traffic. So if people are seeing and buying, it's way more different than seeing and not buying. We all know that. So scroll down to see your top listings and keywords. As for like a bonus tips, aim for at least 2 or 4% conversion rate. If visits are high but sales are low, fix your listing photos and pricing. Should also check stats weekly, not daily, to see real trends. And that's the whole idea here. So I will say it again, just go log in using your email address and password to access the dashboard of Shop Manager, then tap on stats and choose the date range and check every detail about your shop. So thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.